Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes Official. We are happy to bring you your favorite web designing solutions for WordPress and make your business grow beyond. But a slow website is not what we all expect, do we? It's a problem many have but don't know what to do to make the site faster. So today we are making a special video about boosting your website speed with little tweaks and bringing back the lost traffic quickly. Okay, so this is our target website. It is made with Elementor and you can already see how cool it is. We used lots of high resolution images, animations, gradients, effects, all spread nicely on the website. Now we'll measure the site speed for this website using the free web analytics tools, the GTmetrix. Let's copy the URL and paste it in the Analyze field and click on the Analyze button. It takes some time to measure. Please wait a while or you can go take a cup of coffee in the meantime. Alright, the results are out. Let's see. GTmetrix graded our site with a C letter. The performance score is 76% and it takes 2.7 seconds to load the site. A little below, you can see some red, orange and green boxes marking the issues with the site. Red means high level issue, green means low or does not matter much. The analytics site shows detailed metrics on the site performance, structure, waterfall stats, video and history statistics. Let's go back to the summary. Now from the red signals, let's open the second tab. Here you can see the status of the content on the website. All of the used images have been marked down as resource-hungry items. These are making the site slower. Then the third tab shows the caching issue with the site resources. These are minor problems that affect the site speed. Then lastly, we have low-impact resources due to properly sized images at the very end. Now, to solve the issues with the oversized images, we can take help from a WordPress plugin to reduce the image size or add them to cache for faster loading speed. You can find a good number of image compression plugins for WordPress if you go to the plugins page and search for them. Most of them serve the requirements. Amongst them, a couple of plugins offer the highest quality service. Now let's go back to our website so we can install one right away. For this, we are going to use the Tdpng plugin for quality image compression. Search and find the plugin and install it on your WordPress website. Tdpng asks for registration or API key to start operating. Once you provide those, the plugin is back in operation and ready to take your commands. Then you have to go to the plugins tab and click on the bulk compression button on the plugin. The free version allows 500 compressions per month. Click on the text below the button and then see all the current assets within your WordPress website getting compressed. After that, click on the Element Pack Pro dashboard and go to the Core Widgets tab. Here, select the Unused filter and click on the Deactivate All button. Saving the settings, all the unused widgets will be deactivated. After that, go to the Other Settings tab and turn on the Asset Manager. What this does is it creates a minified script out of all activated and used widgets or features of Element Pack to save more space and reduce loading time. Next, go to the Plugins dashboard again and click on the Add New button and then click the Upload Plugin button. We are selecting the WP Rocket plugin zip file from local drive, then install it and activate it. Find WP Rocket from your plugin dashboard and click on the settings. Now from the new window, go to the File Optimization menu and check the Minify CSS files, Load JavaScript Deferred and Delay JavaScript Execution options. Then click on the Save Changes button. WP Rocket will do its magic by optimizing the codes in a moment. Then clear the cache using the drop-down option on the top provided by WP Rocket. The website is going to reload. Okay, we have everything ready to level up. Now go back to the GTmetrix page and click on the Retest button. Now the test will run again, but this time the site is optimized for better results. Just wait a bit. There you go, the site jumped from C to A with a 100% performance score while 84% on structure score. Most signals are green now with one red signal still remaining. Also, the site loaded in under 1.5 seconds. That's amazing! So, your new site is faster than before and it only took you 6.5 minutes to reach this point. That's how to speed up your WordPress site with Element Pack in no time. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Catch you next time.